Hello guys. Sometimes we got problem with our doorknobs. I recently fixed it, but today I want to show you, if you got a problem with this knob, how to fix it. So for to show you, I will just disassemble this one and then assemble it so that you can see how it's done. All right, so let's begin. So so now this is working perfectly, so I'm going to disassemble it. So the first of all, there is something like in the head of this knob, you can see, right? So press it down with something too like that, and then pull it like slowly, it will come. Push it down and then it's just come. You see that? So it's come on. So now this is off, so I'll put it in the table. And then so this can also be like removed. You can see something in the top. Usually there is something you can like pop it off like that. So you basically put this one here and then pop it out. So easy. Alright, so since this one is good, there are two screws here. I'm going to take it out. So one is screw right here, another right here. Come on. So sometimes, so that happens oftentimes, and the door lock doesn't works. So it's now disassembled, two pieces. So now I'm going to reassemble it so you can see. So it should, so you see here, the hole, it should go in a particular way like that, otherwise it will not work. So that way, so go like that way. So just make it still and then now it's what's inside. Now I can see. Now it's like that. So I just screw it right there, and then so it should go inside it. Screw. Now it's good. I'll put this one, the cap, like that, and maybe this knob upside or whatever. And I just press it. Just like go like that. Makes that sound. And then that one. Make sure to align this with this knob here, that thing, and that thing should be like and straight, so that you can lock it here. Alright, so now it works perfectly. Thank you guys for watching this video.